Part 5 of 5 with Dolores Cannon. My mission, my purpose, is to promote education, true spiritual education. In building a new world, our books can't be delegated to a small, obscure section of a bookstore or restricted to specialty bookstores. Amazon is great about recommending titles, but someone must start a search first. Our resources are there. We just need to get them into people's hands. Wouldn't it be great if true spiritual education was available on the nightly news? They tell you what happened, but don't tell you why. Christ is all about living the principle of love and demonstrating by example. You became a walking, talking spiritual book, but you are also well-versed with all the print and electronic resources that are available now and can make recommendations, if asked, tailored to each individual. I was, and still am, just like each of you. I have a fire in my belly, a passion to keep exploring and supporting all the many changes that are not only happening here, but are happening even in advanced societies. There is no end point in love. There is just more, and more, and more. What do I spend my time outside of time doing? Mostly just being Dolores the Explorer. But now my life is entering a new phase, now that I have reconnected with spiritual pioneers. I want to mentor to help support the extremely important work you are all doing. Rami returns next week, but you will certainly hear from me again in this forum. Life never ends. It just pauses and changes form, but the true essence of a soul remains the same. With love, Dolores.